OrCAD X Capture is seamlessly integrated with 3 online library content providers, giving you access of millions of components at the tip of your fingers. Those content providers are SamacSys, Librarian and SnapEDA. Using this integration, you can easily go from your schematic page and then choose to place an online component, and then you can do a universal search across all content providers up here. For example, you need a USB-C connector. You can type in USB-C and it'll find you all the results across all 3 vendors, SnapEDA, Librarian, and SamacSys. The search results will show you multiple results that contain data sheets, schematic symbols, PCB symbols, and a 3D model. Once you select the component you may be interested in, you can look at the property panel to use the links to access the data sheets and preview the schematic symbol in the PCB symbol. Once you find the component you like, you can double click on it or hit this plus sign to add it to your schematic. The schematic symbol and PCB footprint are downloaded into your local design directory. Alternatively, you can select the component and add it to your library or link it to an existing part in your library to pull in all the parametric data. You have complete control with these integrations.